Hey guys, welcome to our channel, where today we're going to be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you a comprehensive breakdown of the latest and highly anticipated Sony WH-CH510 headphones. These headphones have been the talk of the town since they were released due to their premium features and rich audio quality. We cannot wait to unbox them, go over their specs, and share our thoughts on this new release from Sony. Unboxing. To begin, let's start with the unboxing experience. The packaging of the Sony WH-CH510 headphones is minimalist yet elegant, giving off a premium feel. The box is beautifully designed with an image of the headphones on the cover and Sony branding on the side. Upon opening the box, we find a sturdy and sleek-looking hard-shell carrying case. It's a very convenient way of keeping your headphones protected during travel. Beneath the headphones, we found the manual, a USB cable for charging, and a 3.5mm audio cable for wired listening. We're impressed by the attention to detail that Sony has paid to the packaging and accessories. Specs. Now onto the technical specifications. The Sony WH-CH510 headphones come with the latest Bluetooth version 5.0, providing a connection range of up to 30 feet. These headphones are perfect for those who seek freedom of movement while listening to their music without any cable hindrances. The battery life is impressive, clocking in at around 35 hours of playtime on a full charge. The headphones boast a quick charge feature that can give up to 90 minutes of playback time for just 10 minutes of charging. The headphones feature 30 neodymium drivers that produce a clear and dynamic audio experience. This feature is beneficial for music enthusiasts who enjoy hearing different sound intricacies in their music. The frequency response ranges from 20 AHz to 20 kHz, and the impedance is 32 ohms. These headphones support AAC and SB codecs, which ensure robust and high-quality wireless transmission. Review. Now that we have covered the unboxing and technical specifications, let's move on to our review of the Sony WH-CH510 headphones. First and foremost, the overall design of the headphones is aesthetic with a simple and elegant finish. However, more importantly is the audio quality which made us fall in love with these headphones. The bass is deep and strong, and the mids and highs are balanced, providing an all-around excellent audio experience. The headphones are a must-have accessory for music lovers and audiophiles alike. With their sleek design and advanced technology, these headphones deliver crystal clear sound quality and unparalleled comfort. Whether you're commuting to work, hitting the gym, or just relaxing at home, these headphones provide the perfect soundtrack to your day. So why settle for mediocre sound when you can experience the ultimate listening experience with these headphones? Upgrade your audio game today and discover the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Packaging of the Sony WH-CH510 headphones is minimalist yet elegant, giving off a premium feel. The box is beautifully designed with an image of the headphones on the cover and Sony branding on the side. Upon opening the box, we find a sturdy and sleek-looking hard-shell carrying case. It's a very convenient way of keeping your headphones protected during travel. Beneath the headphones, we found the manual, a USB cable for charging, and a 3.5mm audio cable for wired listening. We're impressed by the attention to detail that Sony has paid to the packaging and accessories. Specs. Now onto the technical specifications. The Sony WH-CH510 headphones come with the latest Bluetooth version 5.0, providing a connection range of up to 30 feet. These headphones are perfect for those who seek freedom of movement while listening to their music without any cable hindrances. The battery life is impressive, clocking in at around 35 hours of playtime on a full charge. The headphones boast a quick charge feature that can give up to 90 minutes of playback time for just 10 minutes of charging. The headphones feature 30 neodymium drivers that produce a clear and dynamic audio experience. This feature is beneficial for music enthusiasts who enjoy hearing different sound intricacies in their music. The frequency response ranges from 20 Hz to 20 kZ, and the impedance is 32 ohms. These headphones support AAC and SB codecs, which ensure robust and high-quality wireless transmission. Review. Now that we have covered the unboxing and technical specifications, let's move on to our review of the Sony WH-CH510 headphones. First and foremost, the overall design of the headphones is aesthetic with a simple and elegant finish. However, more importantly is the audio quality which made us fall in love with these headphones. The bass is deep and strong, and the mids and highs are balanced, providing an all-around excellent audio experience. The headphones are a must-have accessory for music lovers and audiophiles alike. With their sleek design and advanced technology, these headphones deliver crystal clear sound quality and unparalleled comfort. Whether you're commuting to work, hitting the gym, or just relaxing at home, these headphones provide the perfect soundtrack to your day. So why settle for mediocre sound when you can experience the ultimate listening experience with these headphones? Upgrade your audio game today and discover the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.